Okay, guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are okay, today we are doing a video in horror. Lastly, horror mode and Monkey Buddies wins. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Give me my chocolate milk. Give me my chocolate milk.
No, don't use platforms. Don't use platforms. Don't use platforms or else you're automatically out. Don't use platforms or else you're automatically out. No, don't use platforms or else you're out. Don't use platforms or else you're out. Don't use platforms. Don't use platforms. You have 60 more seconds to use platforms or else you're out. No, stop using platforms. Stop using platforms. Don't use platforms. Don't use platforms. Don't use platforms.
I plus 2 is 7. I'll give you my balls. No.
Give me a chocolate milk. I'm recording the video.
I'm recording the video. Challenge. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah, get it, John Pork.
Yeah, I know. You can die as much as you want. You can die as much as you want, by the way.
Friends, watch this. Watch. Friend, I'm gonna make. Bro, are you the recorder? Bro, who's making the video?
Yes, I am. Rainbow.
You?
Rainbow guy with no hair. Rainbow guy with no hat.
No, it's me.
I'm the recorder.
Come on, buddy.
I'm recording too. All of us are recording.
His name's not Rufus. His name is Peanut Butter.
No, his name is Rufus.
His name is Peanut Butter. Actually, Rufus and Peanut Butter.
Oh God. Start chasing.
Peanut Butter. Where's Peanut Butter?
Run.
Peanut Butter.
Run. Peanut Butter.
Peanut butter!
We're with them.
Azul!
Peanut Butter.
Azul! Oh! Get hooked, Rufus! Get hooked, Rufus!
His name is Peanut Butter.
No, his
name is Peanut Butter.
It's Rufus.
Why are you coming after me, Rufus?
It's Peanut Butter.
Oh, get hooked! Get hooked, Rufus! Get hooked, Rufus!
Peanut Butter.
Rufus. Run.
Get hooked, Rufus!
Run from Rufus.
You can't stay in the safe zone for long, or else you're gonna be automatically out.
Or else you're gonna be making out. Wow.
What? Come on, Rufus. Come on, Rufus.
Get out! You're gonna be automatically out if you don't get out. Like, actually. You're gonna be automatically out if you don't get out. You're gonna be automatically out if you don't get out. Automatically out if you don't get out.
Friends, watch us. Watch. I'll take him.
Don't use platforms or else you're out. Don't use platforms or else you're out.
RGB.
Don't use platforms or else you're out.
RGB.
Dude, I feel it's normal using the platforms. It's not.
Don't use platforms or else you're out.
It doesn't even really do anything because they expanded it now.
I just pushed someone.
Why are you following me?
Rufus.
Where are you? Rufus is right there.
Oh my God! Don't use platforms or else you're out. Don't use platforms or else you're out.
Come here.
Guys, wait, no. Bro, Rufus has a bow.
Guys, come to the base. Hey, bro, you stupid Rufus. Come to the base.
Guys, go to spawn. I fell outside of the map.
No, stupid game.
Guys, Rufus, I fell outside of the map.
Wait, monkey, look, he can't get us. Look, it's Goofus. Who's your good look? Get on top of the crate and look at him. Who's your good look? Coochie. Go. He got you.
I think it has something to do with walking in real life. Rufus!
Oh, where is Rufus?
Guys, come this way. Guys, let's go this way.
Where? Where's Rufus?
Okay, let's go this way. Maybe he might be down here.
Come on, Rufus.
I have fun. Here's the moderator.
Where are you guys?
Rufus!
Come on, go.
Teal, can you show me how to do that?
Scared the crap
Can
out
you show
of
me
me.
how to do what you just did?
Punch. How are you punching people? How are you punching people? No, wee. Don't punch me, wee. It's wee.
Guys, Rufus is able to get you outside of the map.
Don't punch me. Hey, wee, punch me. Punch me into the monster.
Wait, bro.
Oh, stop.
The monster.
I was joking, wee. Ow. No. Oh.
Guys, help.
Yeah?
Wee.
Don't punch me. Don't stop. Stop.
Here like moderators.
I'm sorry.
Moderators. Someone has to lead him away from everybody.
Oh, I got it. Come on, Rufus. Wee, can you
Alright,
show me
guys, everybody come out.
Can you show me how to get out the map?
Stop.
Guys, someone go get this so I can punch you into him. Ready? Go forward. Go, big boy.
Go.
Okay, ready?
Go.
This way. Put someone all over there.
This way.
Look,
This
come on,
way.
go, stand right there. I'm gonna punch you guys right over there. At the end of the hallway, ready? Guys. I'm gonna into my fist with your head. Alright.
Wait,
Come on, do it.
Alright, I got Rufus away.
Okay, here, let me just punch you guys. Now, just stand still. I'm just gonna punch you. Go. Ready?
You got?
No, this is how you
bro,
punch
it
someone.
didn't work. Punch
Oh.
me.
Okay, ready?
Run.
It does work. Watch. Guys, Rufus.
Do it.
Okay, ready?
Rufus!
Oh, okay, hold on.
Guys,
Take
you
the
might
wall.
not
Let me
want to
see.
go that way. Rufus is
Take
over
the wall.
there.
Hold on. Get away from the wall. Okay, ready? Look behind you.
Yeah, Rufus
But
is
who's doing
over
the
there,
challenge?
buddy.
That way.
Buddy,
Who's doing the
Rufus
challenge?
is over there.
Who's doing the video challenge?
I am.
Definitely.
You got eaten.
I'm
Okay,
doing the
ready?
video challenge. My name's
What's
Friends.
the video
I don't
challenge?
know why.
Lastly
Watch
for.
this video. What if I do this?
Not the lead.
That's
the
the
I'm
Or-
sticking to the light.
way.
Like, what if you hit me from this way?
Sure you want my little
Oh my god! His butt got him. His butt got him.
Where is it?
Wait, hold on.
Ready?
Bro, how are you punching us?
Okay, do it to me.
Oh, he's a
Do
moderator.
it to me.
Go, big
Try
bro.
me.
Go, yellow,
Try
try
me.
me.
Try me.
Alright.
Wee, try me.
Ready?
now. Try me now. Guys,
Oh
guys, go to spawn. No, go inside the boundary. Go inside the Hit me in safe my zone. stomach. You're Wait, hitting me in the everyone, go head. inside the Hit me in safe my zone. stomach. Look at the wall. Hey, Orange, you're looking right at me. I'm outside of the map. No. I'm outside of the map. I'm literally. I don't know.
Are you out? Are you actually?
Yes.
Hey, are you actually?
Yes, look. Look, see my flashlight? See my flashlight?
Okay,
See
guys.
my flashlight?
Okay, you're gonna be hosting it because I gotta go.
Whoa.
I'm outside.
That's you. Bye bye.